today we're gonna bleach the knots on a synthetic wig. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as the little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Yes, I said it. Bleach the knots on a synthetic wig, which is really an oxymoron. So how are we gonna do this? So I actually first did it on the most gorgeous Bobbi Boss wig that I'm wearing right now in the style of Penelope. And yes, you can still find her even though she came out last year. This is probably one of the fastest wig transformations that you could possibly do. It literally just takes a couple of minutes. So like I mentioned, I had just did it on this lovely Miss Penelope piece. So let's just take a quick peek at how stunning this is. Like, where are those knots? Like, you literally cannot even see them. I am literally, as they say, shook. I just said that word for the very first time in my entire life. So we're gonna be bleaching the knots on a wig that I just did right here. And I am totally obsessed with this wig from Noble Wigs. I'll leave the link down below for my review, but let's just take a look at what the situation is right here. Let's just get into everything that we're gonna need. And this very magical product you may already have in your cabinet. It is the Sally Hansen leg spray. This product does come in an array of colors. I actually use the medium glow right here on my legs, but this I think will be a little too medium glow for my head. So I've actually just got the fairest glow, which is I think the lightest shade that you can buy, but it almost doesn't even matter. Okay, for the application, I actually have a canvas blockhead. This is optional, of course, with a wig stand. This is like really, really great. I do have a plastic shower cap on here just because this is canvas, and as you can see, I actually already like stained her with it, which is really not a big deal, but if you do want to protect your canvas head, definitely just put a shower cap over it. And then you will need a hair dryer as well to dry the product. And then an optional thing is, of course, using a makeup remover for if you get some randomly on the hairs. Okay, so we're gonna put the wig reverse on the wig head. And then you're gonna lightly spray. Now to remove any excess that you basically get on the hairs, I'm using a makeup remover, but of course you could just, I'm sure, just use some water. Now we're gonna take our hair dryer and just dry her till she's dry. Okay, so let me just show you literally how transformational this is. I mean, look how great that is. I literally can't get over what a cool little thing this is. So let's just put this girl on so you can see. Okay, so here she is on, and let's just take a look at how amazing this looks. Like, so extremely exciting. I love it. So I want to know if any of you already do this method, or if you have another secret method that you do. I would love to know and see what you're doing. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you in your knotless world and all of that amazing stuff. So remember, life is short, wear a wig, and bleach those synthetic knots. And we will see you soon.